find him. Right, hopefully he doesn't find me. So yeah. Right, so on my channel we'll be doing hide and seek one, and I'll put in the description, and I'll put in my other channel, so the other channel that's doing the hide and seek challenge, okay? What's he doing? There's this. What's he doing? Oh God! Fudge.
Like and subscribe.
Did get pranked? You got pranked, didn't you? You got pranked, eh?
Yeah. Totally.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and put all the notifications on. Bye.